How to use Sora 2 to create AI videos. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to create AI videos using OpenAI's new tool, Sora 2. So let's just jump right in. First thing you're going to have to do is go to your web browser and simply search for Sora 2. Hit enter and click on the first link that you see here. Once you open it up, you need to open up the Sora app, but before that, you need to log in here. So go ahead and click on login. You can log in using ChatGPT or Sora. I'll just continue on with my Sora account. And as you can see, I've already joined Sora over here. Now, once you're here on your Sora, make sure that you log into your account. I've already logged in using my Google account. Then you need to go over to this option here as it says Open New Sora. Click on it, and then you're going to have to enter a invite code. I've already entered the code, so I'm able to easily join the new Sora over here and explore new pages. But if you don't have the code, you can continue on with the old version as well. Now you can easily describe a video here. Now, if you don't have any idea what kind of video you want to create, you can just go ahead and ask ChatGPT itself. So I'll just head over to ChatGPT and ask it to give me a prompt. So I'll just type it in. As you can see here, I've written a short prompt to give me a prompt to make a 10-second video about cats. Here it has given me a Sora prompt. So what I can do is just copy this, go back to my Sora, go to this field to enter a prompt, and I can just go ahead and paste the video over here and tap on the send button to create the video. Now wait for a bit, it's going to be added to your queue, and once that is done, your video should be created. You can find your queue over here on the left hand side. Click on your account. And as you can see here, your video prompt has been added to your queue. Once that is done, it will automatically generate the video. So it's loading currently. Let's just wait for a bit. You can also see the real-time progress on the left-hand side on this little icon over here. As you can see, it's almost more than 50% done. And once this completely fills out, your video will be ready. As you can see here, the video has been prepared. Now you can just tap on it to play the video. Now, if you want to download it, you can click on it and post the video and download it from there. That is basically it, guys. Now you can just go ahead and click on post, and you should be able to download this without any problem. That's how you can easily create an AI video on Sora. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.